How to turn on read incoming call, the caller who is calling, the name of them, and this is for the Poco X7 Pro phone. Your Poco X7 Pro phone uses the dialer from Google as default dialer. Once you go into it, you'll see the three dots at the top right here, and go ahead and tap on it once, go to settings. Then from here, you'll see all these calling options. Go down past all that until you reach the part that says caller ID announcement. Now, once you're here, at default, it's going to be turned off. But when you tap in this area here, you're going to see these options here. And you can have this read out incoming calls with a headset connected or a Bluetooth connected to your Poco X7 Pro, or always. Always basically means whether it's connected to your car, your headphones, or no headphones, just your phone speaker. It's going to read aloud who's calling you at the moment and, well, lets you know who it is. And of course, if you don't like it, just come back here, never, and you're good to go. Like and sub.